Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Donna Marisigiran, 42 years of age, single. I am a Roman Catholic. I was born on October 23, 1983. I am a college graduate, Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. My first employer in Hong Kong were in Mawan Park Island, New Territory. I serve 4 members of the family. My duties and responsibilities: cooking the food, cleaning the house, gardening, taking care of 6 dogs. My second employer were in Tai Kushing. I serve a couple. I do household chores like cooking, cleaning, marketing, gardening, taking care of 1 dog poodle. My third employer were in Sai Kung. I serve 4 members of the family. My duties and responsibilities are cooking the food, cleaning the house, gardening, doing laundry, and taking care of 2 Labrador's dog. And I'm the only helper in the family. My latest employer were in Oman. I working for 2 years. I serve 5 members of the family. They have 5 helpers. My duties and responsibilities: cooking the food, cleaning the house, assisting madam in the kitchen for making bread and pastries, and I taking care of 2 dogs like Shih Tzu and Golden Retriever. To my employers, if you will hire me, I will do my best to do my duty, and I promise to work with you as long as you need me. I hope that you choose me as your helper. Thank you and God bless.